Good morning everyone, welcome to the markets overview. Here we can see that the Dow trend is up, the 8 is above the 21, the 21 is above the 50. If you look at the monthly high-low, price is currently trading at the 61.8 level. I am expecting some sort of a retracement coming through to the 38.2. Should the market cross over, I will look for a next swing low. US Tech, daily trend is up, the 8 is above the 21 and the 21 is still below the 50. The long-term trend is still on its way. Looking at the monthly high-low, price has currently found resistance at the 61.8 and I am also respecting some sort of retracement down to the 50 moving average. The S&P 500 daily trend is up, 8 is above the 21, 21 is above the 50. If we look at the monthly high-low, price has also currently found resistance at the 61.8. I am waiting for a retracement down to the 21 or to the 50, or on the monthly high-low to the 38.2. Dollar Rand, daily trend is down. Price is currently trading at 17 Rand 8 cents to the dollar. If we look at the monthly high-low, price has found resistance at the 23.6 level on the monthly high-low. I'm not looking for any trades at the moment. However, should the 8 cross above the 21, I will be looking for long positions. On to gold, daily trend is up. Price is currently trading at 1900. I am expecting a retracement down to the 50 moving average. However, our previous trade did hit TP at 1901. Thank you for listening to the market overview. I'm Dylan Peacock. We'll see you tomorrow.